Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one right here. Then navigate to Organize, swipe down, and you will find the option called Manage SIM. When you click on it, it will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now, if they are grayed out like they are for me, that's because these contacts already exist on the import location, which right here only falls to be the phone. Normally, if you have contacts, you would see that, just quickly check, you would see them not selected, and you would also have the change of like import location if you have Google account, which I don't. So let me delete some contacts in Conta or Numad. Hopefully I'm not gonna delete that one. So this one is on my phone, so let's get rid of it. Delete. Yep. So if I go back to here, manage SIM, I still can't. So you know what, I'm just gonna tell you, you can select or deselect contacts and you will have an import button right here. All you need to do is just click on it, and once you do, you can then go back to your list and you should have your contacts visible in here. Now depending on where you have imported them to, assuming you had more than no option there, you can then also change it in here where it says all contacts. You can click on this and choose, for instance, to show contacts from Google account. So apparently I do have Google account, but I didn't have the option to change it. You know what, I'm not gonna bother trying to figure out why. Typically that's not how it works, so yeah. And you can sometimes also click right here to change the other accounts, which would also imply that it's going to show different contacts. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.